Hi everyone, welcome to Tuesday. And like we do every Tuesday, we jump across, have a look, and see the performance of the NZSX 50 and see how it's gone for the week. Just that normal housekeeping, that remember that this is this is not personalised advice. It is certainly just for educational purposes only. So if you're looking for any financial advice, you do need to go and talk to your own financial advisor. So let's take a look. Rightio, I've got the NZSX 50 up here on the screen, and I've already got the moving averages on, actually being the 15 and 30 week. And you can see here, I'm recording this Tuesday morning, and this little red candle we can see here is just for the start of the week. So that's just Monday's trading. Obviously it did there was a little bit of a sell-off, nothing that I'm too worried about. I mean, if you have a look in the top left over here, we're about $25 down for the day for yesterday. So that's sort of, it's very, very negligible. But just going back for the close of last week, which obviously ended on Friday, the 24th of January, we did have again a little bit of a down week. But again, to me, it's nothing to be concerned about because the market is still trading above both of these moving averages. And if you look, the market's been trading really close to this blue line here for quite some time, which is the 15-week moving average. Now that is a good sign of a potentially a good healthy market. Okay, so hey, I'm not in the game trying to pick tops or bottoms. What I can see here is that 15-week moving average and also the 30 are both trading up, which are great positive signs. Now down the bottom down here, if I look, this is the volume candles. And if I look for last week, see here that there was very, very little volume. Sure, it's a red candle because the week was down a little bit, but very, very little. And that's a great sign. Because if we were seeing a huge sell-off, and we did see quite a bit of sell-off here in this week here, which was the 2nd of December, there was quite a bit of sell-off there. But again, the market only came back down to that 15-week moving average. If we were seeing volumes like that on the down, you would very quickly see these moving averages cross, and that 15-week would fall through the 30-week, and the market would be in a downtrend. But hey, like I always used to say to people when I was doing financial advice, that the market has to take a breath every now and again. The green candles when the market's going up, and to my mind, that's where you're breathing out, but at some point you do have to take a breath in, and that's really what's just happened there. So nothing here is concerning me at all. If I look down the bottom, down here at the ATR, which is the average trading range, you can see that there's very little volatility there as well. And in fact, that has started to trend down, which is also a good sign. Now, if I look at how much volatility there is in the market, so if I take that figure of 241.50 and divide it by the current price of the NZSX 50, that will give us basically about 1.85% volatility. So that's very, very low. When I'm looking at investing, I want to make sure that the overall volatility in the market that I'm trading is less than 5%. So it's well and truly under that, which is a good sign. Potentially, the market could just keep meandering along, which would be great. But that's certainly the signs that I'm seeing. And I'm certainly looking for opportunities as well in the market. So last week, I was able to identify one trade being Spark, and that is certainly a trade that I have entered into. So if you remember, if you're looking for some sort of indicators and trading signals, I do have a 30-day free trial period, and that's where I send out each week any new buys that I'm doing, obviously any sells and any stop loss adjustments, because for me it's really important that when I buy a share, I know where my exit level is going to be. And so that's something that I update every week as well. So jump across, I'd love to see you there. So in the meantime, that's it for this week. There's nothing more to really report other than, hey, the market is doing what it's doing. It's healthy. It's certainly, there's nothing that I'm sort of overly concerned about with our market. So, but come across on Thursday, I am going to review Spark, and I'm going to take you through exactly what I look for when I'm going to be buying a share. And also, if there is a share you would like me to review, flick me a message. Love to do that for you and just run my methodology over it. So until Thursday, take care.